Don't start trading crypto before you watch this. Welcome back everybody to MoneyFest World School. This is Moses Crypto again with you. Now, I have decided to record this video after a lot of you asked me to. Many of you wanted me to give you a plan, to give you a few rules. What should you do when you start trading crypto? Now, I have prepared a simple guideline, rules that you need to follow to successfully start trading crypto and make money. Make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see in the next videos. And of course, let's get started. Now, what do you need to start with? You need to educate yourself. Knowledge is power. I always repeat that. Learn how technical analysis works. Learn how graphs move and what instruments can you work with to predict where the graphs are going to go. Okay, what do we have? One, the first thing you need to take care of is get a strategy. Get a trading strategy. Okay, a trading strategy. What do I mean by this? Just take an example. If a graph is moving, it's moving from the bottom to the top, you should have a few set of rules you should follow that tell you now buy, now sell, and when those two rules don't come together, you don't buy, you don't sell. Watch carefully. If you look here, for example, if you look here, this is an uptrend. The market is going from the bottom to the top. But now you need to find something that is going to tell you, should I get in here and buy, and should I get out here? And there are a few instruments. We have what we call moving averages. It can come like this and cross here, and then come and continue like this. That is a moving average, and I teach it in technical analysis, by the way. That is what we do here at MoneyFest World School. You will learn how to set this so that when it just crosses here, you buy, enter this trade, and then again, when it crosses here, you can get out, or you can hold because it hasn't closed below here, and then continue. Now, rule number 2. I hope you're with me. Rule number 2, confirmation. What do I mean by that? Once you have set your set of rules, a few simple rules you are following, that first of all, I need the moving average to cross here. It has crossed. And when it crosses, what do we call that? It's a confirmation. You confirm. You get to confirm that, yes, now I can enter the trade. We got a confirmation here. Let me even indicate it with red. You can see. This is the confirmation. Exactly. When the graph crosses the simple moving average, it has crossed, you enter the trade. That is the confirmation. So wait for the confirmation. Do not have the fear of missing out. That is what we call it, FOMO, the fear of missing out. You forget your rules, you want to get in. No, that is not right. Always follow your rules and wait for a confirmation. Number 3, enter the trade, execute the trade. It's as simple as that. Watch carefully. I say enter the trade. So once everything aligns, once you see that I've just used one instrument. There are so many instruments in technical analysis that we teach here at MoneyFest World School, and that is just one of them, a simple moving average. It has crossed my graph, and it has given me a confirmation. What else are you waiting for? Get in, buy. If it's a buy, come on, get in, buy right now. You buy, and then sit and relax. Once you buy, you've set your stop loss here, you've set your take profit up here, sit back and relax. That brings me to rule number 4. Be patient and wait for your take profit to get hit. So wait for TP. Simple as that. You have entered, you've got your confirmation, then sit patiently and wait for your take profit to be hit. If it was up here, it will definitely be hit. Trust in your intuition, trust in your analysis. Don't sit there and every time check the graph. I think it's going to go up or down. Now, once your take profit is hit, what else do we need to do? Always remember, always withdraw. Every time you are trading, always withdraw your money. Withdraw it into cash. I can even tell you that, into cash, and have a feeling of what it can do for you. Once you withdraw that money, and don't, of course, think about buying a car immediately, but have a feeling of that money and have it somewhere. Keep it somewhere. Take it out of the market. Then come back the next day fresh with another capital and then trade again. But every time you make a profit, make sure you withdraw. So the rule number 5 is withdraw. Withdraw. So simple. It brings us to how many rules? Number 1, have a trading strategy. And we teach you how to get a trading strategy here at MoneyFest World School. Number 2, confirmation. Confirm where are you going to enter, where are you going to exit for you to buy those coins you want to buy. Let it be Bitcoin, let it be XRP, let it be Solana. What else? Enter the trade. Do not sit there and wait for God to tell you, hello, enter the trade now. Of course not. Enter the trade once you get the confirmation. After that, wait for your take profit to be hit. Sit and wait. Don't have that kind of impatience. Once you've entered, wait, take profit will be hit, and then withdraw. As simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. So do you see how you can simplify everything here and make things so simple that you can literally start printing money every day from cryptocurrencies? So those are the 5 rules I can give you when you follow them. But the first rule of having a trading strategy, you need to educate yourself, you need to learn, you need to practice, you need to gather knowledge. And that is what you will find here at MoneyFest World School. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching those few rules, and I hope you follow them. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. By the way, we have links to all our channels: Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and even, of course, to YouTube. Check them right below. Click them and then go ahead and subscribe to all our channels. You will get content from me, and see you in the next video.